Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. First of all, just search for Spotify Premium in your browser. A lot of websites will show up, but you want to find Get Spotify Premium. Usually it will be 1 month free, but right now, as you can see, Spotify is doing a deal where they will give you a 3 months for free. So click on that. Once you will click on it, you will be brought to this website here. Once you be brought on this website, you are going to click on this try free for 3 months, or it might say 1 month. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this page right here. Here you want to scroll all the way down and click on this sign up for Spotify. So make a new account. You can also use your old account if you haven't done this before, but I'm going to suggest making a new account. Now once you do that, here it will ask you to enter your email or use your Google account, but you can just make a fake email by searching up email generator or email gen, and then you can use temp mail, but email generator also works. So choose the option that you want to use. After generating the email, you just have to enter the email here. After entering the email, just tap on this next, and now you can create a password. Then tap on this next again. Now put all of this information here. First of all, put your username here, then your date of birth, select your gender here, tap on this next again. You will be brought up to this page right here. Check these two and tap on this sign up. You will be brought up to this page. After, right here it will ask you to put in all your info to buy the plan. So it doesn't really matter because it won't charge you if you cancel the plan before the 3 months or 1 month is over. So just put in all of your information right here, and then once you do that and put all your credit card information as well or PayPal information, once you finish all that, you can just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can see this get 3 months for 00. You just have to tap on it or you will have Spotify free for 3 months. You can continue making new accounts and continuously do this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.